Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on the government issued alerts on the Weather Channel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the notifications section, click to the first option, the alerts. Scroll down and click to the government issued alerts. You can find the off button, and if you want to turn on, just click to the next white circle and on. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.